Guys, if you have been feeling so exhausted, so drained, so unproductive, so ton, you're not alone. Remember, we came from the Mercury retrograde and now we're in a Saturn retrograde. So everything is going to just frustrate your body, and we have a full moon. So it's just a lot of things at the same time. And I personally have been feeling so fatigued, like in Katel, I don't want to lie to you. So today I'm working, however, tomorrow I'm going to be doing my braces. So I'm so excited for that because yesterday I even went to get wax to go get, so that because my braces have been hurting me for a while. So I went to go get some wax and to get that out of the way. However, I just want to pick up my energies, and also this flu. I don't know what it like is the story now. I was contemplating going to the doctor, but I just spoke to my dad, and he's like, I should make this concoction here with lemon. Yes, Tony, yeah, nan. Because he's like, what the hell is wrong with you? Because I'm not coughing. It's just that I'm guys, and then diagodola, and then this part of mine, the throat, the nasal, ntontoni, ibuhlungu. So I think I just need to go get some Sinotabs and fumani stony and then do that today. But I'm so over this. I don't want to lie to you. I went to bed with this mask on yesterday. I even removed my eyelashes. I was so irritated yesterday. I guess I can tell a good guys. I was so irritated. I even removed my eyelashes. My eyes were so irritated. I don't know what was happening. There was just a lot of things happening. So sleeping with a mask, guys, is not for the faint-hearted, especially when you sleep with this. So what I like about this is that you can use this and put on your serums and then put it on. Let me smell it. It smells like nothing, honestly, but that's how I was sleeping the whole night. So I want to quickly make myself something to eat, and then get ready because ngiyasebenza today, ngendumbeni, and then I'll see you when I come back from the Ndumbalings. Yeah, so that's basically it. And I also need to do my lashes because tomorrow I'm going for my braces because I'm not choice. I don't have an excuse as into why I'm not doing my lashes. But I feel like I had my eyes were irritated yesterday and there was just a lot going on. And then I had an eyelash. My eyelash was poking my eye. So it felt like I'm fighting the current, guys. I was literally, yesterday I was fighting the current and I was so annoyed. So I felt like, let me just remove these lashes and I'll redo them all over again because also so I was not really that much focused because when I'm just looking at them when I'm on my own, I can get to focus. So guys, before I stop blabbing, let me make myself some breakfast, and after that I need to get ready and I'll see you in a minute. Excuse me, I now need to just go that side, but like the heater, so yeah, I know it's going to sustain me. Here's my auto wax, right, guys? This is 100 rand. This small thing, 100 rand, so that it helps you from poking wires and stuff. So because you've been kuluma most of literally the next couple of hours, so I just need to be prepared. But between you and I feel like we deserve a long ass week of sleep. Like I need sleep, I need to rest. Like ngatele. Yo, ngatele. If fatigue nayo, I don't even know how to explain it. Ngatele. I think ngatele from inside. You know that thing of being tired. So I'm just tired. Like I feel like I need good rest. Yo, like good rest. No waking up for school, no waking up for Indumba, even if it's a week. Literally, I feel like I need a week. I need a week of rest. Yo, I'm so drained. Ngatele man, ngatele. Sisebenza kanzima. So, I think I get irregular. nginengubo ngane yabo ngiyitha nginengubo so ngizoba warm. It's just that ngibona iweather la ngaphandle. I think is ngaphandle kuyashisa but indoors yo lazi into la isenthendeni so okay, I think that will do. I think that will do. Okay, let me take my shots and then hand it, guys. Here. Oh, ginger shots. My coconut water. Guys, I love you. Give me bounce. Let me go focus. I need at least 15 minutes to myself so I can prep, get in the zone and connect to my Wi-Fi, and then I'll see you. It's a new day today. I am late. I'm going to my doctor's appointment for my braces. However, I need to start at the hospice first because I left my charger yesterday. So I just need to go pick up my charger. It's quickly in and out. And then I am on my way to my doctor's appointment. So I'm late. My half-past appointment is for 12:30, and right now it is 11, so you can only imagine. So I'm taking my painkillers, guys, because I'm after this, chances are I might come back and not be able to eat. The only thing is, you know what I mean? So I just need to prep myself for that because so by the time I get there, the painkiller would already be in my system. So I am basically crossing fingers for that, you know. My phytocollagen iphelile, guys. You know, but I always told you that Lena azangi, so I just want to quickly finish this up and then drink this go. However, guys, today I woke up feeling so lonely. You know, I woke up feeling so lonely, and it is not because of the conversations we had with Marie. Guys, it's all I was had a busy day. I came back from the hospice, ngawasha, angikuwasha, but ihamba in so I was literally like, you know, pressed for time is all. And because the previous day I was sick at all. So right now, like I said, I'm going to my braces, so I got distracted. Okay, let me get back to it. Come on. So I'm getting lonely, guys, and I'm thinking about this Uguti. Let me drink my pills, and guess what? Ta-da! I found my daddies, and I bought 2 bottles. I made sure that I buy them because it has been a minute. So it's time to go back to yourself. Anyway, hold up. So, ngilambile, guys, and angagali. My worry is that angagali. But anyway, I was thinking to myself about ukuthi ngilonely, guys, not in a bad way, but today ngifila kanjalo ukuthi yes, it would be so nice to have a bit of companionship in your life. You know, have somebody to talk to, you know, all of that. But when I think about the admin that comes with the relationship, I just become bored, you know. And also in the position that I'm in, to date as somebody that's known is not easy. But in my case, is not a nice thing all the time because it steals from your life's experience. You think that you are meeting somebody and you're dating them, and you don't know, is this person dating you because they genuinely love you, or they just here in your life to humble you, or it's a PR stand, or any of these things. So you literally have to have your guard up all the time, you know. And they forget that Umpabadimu is a separate entity from, you know, Michelle generally as a person, you know. So those are my sentiments. I do want that. Ngiyafisa ukuthi ngibe nomuntu like ngiyafika leso sikhathi leso. I think today is just one of those days ukuthi ngikhalela ukuthi oh baby ngicongise ka doctor, baby this. I would like that. And I think after my last relationship, because like I said, Uguti, me and the guy right now, we're good friends, you know. But he's the longest relationship I've ever been in. Like, so I don't think Uguti, because I left the relationship last year. So this year I've been out by myself. So it's been kind of tricky navigating the space of singleton, but I am loving it. Although today I think I'm just feeling that Uguti, ngiyakhalela man Sunday, yabona ngiyophekela umuntu wami. Ngiyabona amalanjare aza ahleli agethera idust kunini ahleli kunini ahleli guys, they're just sitting there gathering dust, you know. I want the baby dress up, you know, dress up for umuntu wami as they feeling le umuntu wakho akutholile empeteni ubuya la buya khona, baby here's your food in it, and just throw away, you know, social media standards and, you know, the strictness of the dating game that it has become, and just be normal for once, you understand? So yeah, it's kind of hard. I do want that for myself, yeah, especially because now it's my birth month. I don't want to be sitting in sadness because August is just crazy. And anyway guys, this is the last vlog for the month, and when I come back, I have to come back and work because I have international consultations today. So because of time difference, majority of them, they are at this particular time, so I can get to go do my things, but ngicala ukusebenza later on in the day. So however, those just my sentiments. I feel like I want to give, you know, love a try. What would my mom say? And my mom would be like, hi wena, what's valila gangaga? So I feel like I want to give something a try, but I don't want to love anybody. I want somebody that wants to love me. So manje ama ayasibukela la kuma TikTok, kuma YouTube, and then they come into our lives and lie to us. So you're gonna go say it's a tricky space. However, it would be so refreshing to meet somebody that, hey, but still, like how, like uyaziwa mpho, awukwazi nokuthi utholele umfana nje because yeah, uzopost idolo lakho or apost inyoka yami. Damn guys, it's ngifake i-sunscreen bese ngiyahamba nami ngenza lapha ngamablo mama inkinga ukuthi ngiyarecorda, and yeah, so let me just quickly do this and then go. Okay, let's go guys. I think when I get to the dentist appointment or whatever, let me get out. talk about those things. Okay?
Do you know how we wouldn't I think you forget that I watch your vlogs.
Talk, you don't talk. Look. Talk, you
Just
don't talk.
dilibele. Dilibele, ngicina ngokuba yay.
Talk to relax. Talk, it's okay. It's okay.
And you know when I was watching it, I was like, is this my patient? Who's this?
Talk. It was hard times.
Yeah, many cutters. Like proper cutters.
Talk.
Emlomen one.
Talk excited. No, we don't talk about that. Talk. Talk on here.
It was the people she was asking to do this thing.
Yeah.
I was like,
Like it was a lot. I was going through it.
Yeah.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Saying, bad bitch, put your hands up high. Hands up high. Hands up high. Tell them turn the lights down right now. Put me in the booth. I'm talking about dark perfume. Go.
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know your taste is a little bit high maintenance. Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice. Poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to you when you're in the mood for empathy. There's blood in my pen. Better yet, with your friends and them. I really wanna know you all. I really wanna show you off. Fuck God, pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you curse this name. You called up your girlfriends and your girl in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party. She wanna go and party. Nigga don't approach her with that Atari. Nigga that ain't good game home is sorry. They say conversation rule a nation. I can tell, but I could never right my wrongs unless I write it down for real. P.S. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. And I know you what you want. Oh, I got this. Put it in the song. Alright.
Hey guys, so I'm done with my brace appointment. I am hungry as fuck. I need something to eat. Gosh, the lighting. I need something to eat. The Uber driver that came here with me, guys, was so trash. I got here on time, but he was so trash. At the doctor, you need to wear something comfortable clothes, comfortable hair, because lying in the chair can literally be the most uncomfortable thing. So my ride is here, so I need to quickly go grab some brunch or lunch, whatever you choose to call it, and then I will see you when I get there. Let's go.
Alright.
chopping out that heat, they like who copping that? New G-Wagon got a brag and put a rock on that. Niggas always in her DM, she don't holler back. Whoop, whoop, copy that. I've been cuffing, Chanel bags like it's nothing. And she loved him, my last nigga, he was bluffing. He said fuck on me, let that go on like he bugging. Now she thugging, with a real one. I've been falling on you, smart and loyal. All my homies know me best, they say I'm falling for you. And that boss be slippery like tryna walk on oil. And I be there long as you there when I be calling for you. Girl, as long as you wrap your arms around me. Ooh, baby, I know.
We can be closer. I played those same games 1,000 times over, and you played those all night with me, oh, don't you? You can leave it right at the door and let me love you for the night.
High volume.
I like how you wrap around the edges, laying on your chest in my bed now. Rubbing all the days we together. If they don't get it, then forget it. I do, yeah, I do the way I do. And they don't know me like you. All the things that we've been through. Love when you call me baby, make me feel like your lady. And we go off around that K. Your love is never lazy. But when I wake up, you ain't there. Now I'm going crazy. I ask myself, we can be closer. I play those same games.
Hey loves, we have reached the end of the vlog, and if you have watched till this far, please like this video, 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 like this video. Please like this video, guys, and thank you so much for your continuous support towards the channel. So I went to get my braces done. As you can see, we are wearing red, but it's sort of like a raspberry color because Dr. Sue was saying that she couldn't find red because I wanted red. But however, I'm back to my favorite color. Next up, we need ourselves a red set, a deadly red set of nails, red everything, red underwear, red sexual and nail is red, but it's anyway, guys, Dr. Sue is so happy about the progress, and she's saying 3 more visits and I should be done. However, I did tell her that Dr. Sue ngicela ukhipha ama braces January because uthi kahle kahle nje kumele ngiwakhiphe kahle kahle nje kushaya bo October sengakhiphile ama braces. But ngithe, you know what, Dr. Sue, I feel like I'm enjoying braces and they become a part of my identity and personality. However, she did advise that wearing braces for a prolonged period, like over your prescribed period, over the treatment, it does damage your bone tissue, something along those lines. So she said it can get as far as masenkugile, my teeth start to fall out. So I was like, oh my god, I didn't know that. I literally am gonna go down the rabbit hole. And like I told you guys, my doctor watches my vlogs. So she said, Mpo, what were you using in my mouth with my wires? What were you using? I was like, Dr. Sue, it was hard. And she said, so you couldn't come to me? I was like, no. However, guys, I am back on elastic. You can see these are orthodontic elastics, right? So I have worn the rabbits, the monkeys, and now I am on the elephant, right? I'm on the elephant. So the only thing that differs is the strength of the elastic. So this is gonna be my elastics. Please remind me to wear my elastics. When you see me without my elastics, just leave a comment down below. Say, Mpo, where's your elastic? So and it's thicker. That's why these are the elephants. However, it does the thing it does. So now we're bringing my my teeth to its center, and then there's just a little bit more work left to do. So on the bottom I have a power chain, and then on the top we just have the donuts as usual. And however, I was so happy that I drank my painkillers because after the appointment I managed to eat. I don't know how I'm gonna be tomorrow or the other days, but so far, I am good. I'm not in pain. I am just okay. It's just that I feel like a relationship yam nama braces iyaphela, and I want to make the most of it. So I don't know. Are you ready to see me without braces? Because that's literally gonna be me. 2027. I am braces free. That is so wild. I am gonna be having, for the first time in my life, I'm gonna be without braces with a straight set of teeth. So I don't know, guys. I don't know. I need a new tats because I feel like, you know what, this has been my identity and for a long time. So I'll just, you see how things go. But I'm so happy about my progress. And a big shout out to Midway Dentals. Those people, Sisuga Gute. Sisuga Gute, guys. So we're just closing the gaps that are there. I've never had taken out a tooth. Trust me. And you know what, there's just been processing my braces is very lengthy, but I'm just grateful that we are where we are. So Dr. Sue, I love you, my babe. So I went to Glow Restaurant. It was my first time being there, and one of the waitresses was like, oh, where's your partner today? I'm like, which partner? And she's like, your partner that you always come here with. I'm like, it's my first time here. And she's saying, really? You look like somebody that always come here. And she comes in and boyfriend, like I said, they sit in that corner, and she describes the girl. Apparently the girl looks like me. So I'm like, no, it's not me. But however, I like this place and I'm gonna keep on coming. Guys, that place, the vibe, it's so chilled. But now I feel like whoever gave out that secret location online usibulele, because the girls were coming there with the selfies by the entrance. Niyasibulalela our peaceful space. But also the East Rand is not boring, guys. East Rand in my hidden gems. That's what I love about the East Rand. In my hidden gems, when ukopolote uzowathola. However, I had a very beautiful day. I went to go fetch my charger, but I was happy that azangi in a rush. However, I'm so annoyed about Uber drivers. Uber drivers these days are so weird, and I'm not a person that likes driving. However, I prefer to use an Uber most of my time. And Uber drivers have this thing of saying they've arrived outside while they're not there, and then the app starts counting. Worst case scenario is the first driver in the morning, he was driving very fast. I liked that because I'm a fast driver myself. However, when you get to the destination, because they don't take card payments, mawenzi card back tell logo, I want to send him my cash set, segune back and forth. I was like, you know what, I'm so over Uber drivers. However, the Uber driver I had on my way back, he was a delightful. Even the playlist was amazing. He was playing AI music, but it was very nice, and driving was amazing and everything else. And then the Uber driver I got when I was going to buy my margarita, he was hitting on me. So that was kind of weird. So while I was at the mall, I go into parking and I see like some Indian lady, she's driving the car that like my exact car. I was like, yeah. Then I look at the registration, like, oh, okay, that's so weird. But anyway, guys, I'm back home right now, and I need to rest because I'm starting to work at 10 p.m. ebusuku. Yes, you heard me right. Abantu mama ngisho ngitshelile ukuthi balele. So manje for bona kusekuseni, so kubo afternoon yabo is my evening. So I'm gonna start working, and then bese ngiyasebenza, probably ngizochayisa ngabo 1-2 a.m. and then basically ngiyalala because I have a long queue that is awaiting me. However, we are going into my birth month, and this is the last vlog of July. But I wanted to say we need to make the most of Women's Month, and you owe yourself that. From the first day till the last, make it about you. Enjoy your life. Do you, baby girl. We are celebrating each other as women, and you are celebrating yourself as well. So ningalali, we are dedicating the next 31 days to whatever you want. Whether you're glowing up, whether you're pouring into yourself, whether you are enjoying your life, whether you are whatever it is. But the next 31 days we are maximizing. Even if ufuna ozempiki kusasa sana, do that. You understand that? From the 1st of August to the 31st of August, we are maximizing. It was my mom's birth month, but however, her life cycle ended in August. So I feel like for me, August is a month of celebration and a bit of sadness. But that's how I'm saying, like, this year I want to see how different I am doing things, you know. Like I'm so anxious. Ipete Gankomo is on the 6th, it's on the 5th of guys, this is so wild. This is so wild. Do you know that Ugokolongim Tasile, she, oh my goodness, this is crazy. This is crazy. Ugokolo, she passed on in July, right? She passed on in July, and if I'm not mistaken, I just need to check. So practically, July, August, Khongata is a very hectic month. But anyway, Ipetegankom was on the 5th of August. My mom's life cycle ended on the 6th of August. My birthday is on the 9th of August, and my mom's death burial date is the 16th of August. So August khongata. So I need you guys, Oguti, no matter what happens, we are gonna go through this together. Even the sad days, sizobambani and the city girl, siyayenza lento, because 31 days. So I wanna be as consistent as I can also in the 31 days and see how much I can be consistent on this app. So I'm not gonna be only present here with you, but I also want to be present in my life and share my journey with you. I'm stepping into the big 32, guys. I'm turning 32. That's so crazy. And if you have any birthday gifts you want to send me, do so, guys. Do so, man. I have not received any birthday gifts. I don't know since when. Like, I'm that person, I've never been celebrated a lot, you know. Even when it's my birthday, people are still focused on their lives. I don't get gifts and stuff. So it would be nice even if you can just come into my DMs and just wish me a happy birthday, whether I post or I don't on the day. But anyway, we'll get there when we get there. But I'm so excited. It is August. Yaqala idusty kwanyiwa ke manje. Senza madoderate. Yabona ke manje. Mangabe uyavila pha. Uzonyekulo August ngoba idusty izonyisa. You need to clean and love yourself. But above everything else, I appreciate you so much, each and every one of you. And before I start blabbing and saying a lot, today was a busy day and I think I need to go rest. And also, please let us keep Mariki in our prayers. Ukuthi akazukubona iWomen's Day. I celebrate August naye because ngizokhuluma ngaye in our next video. Angisafuna ukuxoxa kakhulu, but ngizokhuluma ngaye in our next video. But I celebrate iWomen's Month naye, guys. So mbokot, I hate umuntu othi strong. See, we are not rocks, guys. We are allowed to feel, you are allowed to cry, you are allowed to be sad, you are allowed to be tired. So that's why I say, August, dedicated to yourself. Hambo yenza mazipho, hambo thenga ipent, Elisha, goge lingerie, ube sexy, ube unyise. Unawuzibuza ukuthi what the hell? Unyise, baby, unyise. Mina vele from kusasa angisadlali vele ngiyangena kulo August ngiya-understand ngiya-maximize margarita on my left hand and the life on my right hand seyinyisa ashaganda ebeleni yonke into izohamba ngolayini. But guys, ngiyahamba ngiqedile ngisuthi. Oh, I told you guys, yabona ngidlile ne, that was my first meal and last meal of the day. I literally was feeling nauseous after that. However, the iced latte was amazing and it had a dash of amarula. Guys, that place is amazing. So anyway, guys, I'm gonna go into my bed. I love you and okay, I need to cue the song. Winter winner, winter tandega yo, so zendigege. Ubuhle bakho dikthanda ngangongolade oyani oya. Guys, ngiyanicela ne, if you have any details ukuthi ngingahire kuphi i-boyfriend, ningitshele ngizohire i-boyfriend just for August, just for 30 days. You understand? Sabawell cuddles, Sabawell kabus on the neck, Sabawell good morning baby. So I don't know, there are a couple of guys on my WhatsApp and they've been bothering me, but I don't want to give a chance. I want to let them ukuthi uphe umuntu chance lokudala kufuna uzokubonisa ukuthi ngikuba umphange chance. So yazini guys, ithi siyeke namafana sizobona ukuthi kwenzakalani mara uAugust yonke into wrong and right.
right, wrong. Siyayenza le. Ngiyanithanda. Ngizonibona next month, guys. Bye. Yeah. Ngicela kuzama Margarita wami. Ngizonibona, guys. Ayiqabele. Bye.
Uyintsha nobubele, uyintsha thande